Can adding a simple copper penny to your bird bath keep it cleaner? One of the most talked about ways of keeping a bird bath clean is to add a little copper to the bird bath to reduce algae and muck. Does it work? Is it safe? Recently, comments exploded on one of my other bird bath videos on this channel, people saying that they used copper pennies to keep their bird baths clean. So I wanted to find out if it works. I had never used them before. After reading hundreds of comments from bird lovers, here's what I found. Many people swear by it. Some use an old copper penny. Others prefer a small piece of copper plumbing pipe or a copper disc. You can get those copper discs on the internet. They say algae growth slows dramatically, meaning less scrubbing and cleaner water for longer. They say things like, I only have to deep clean every 7 to 10 days now, or I've used copper for years, but others aren't convinced. Several viewers pointed out that copper is a metal, and in high enough amounts, copper can be toxic to the birds. And some bird owners, especially those with parrots and cockatiels, say they avoid exposing their birds to copper altogether. Another important point is that today's pennies aren't made mostly of copper. After 1982, pennies are mostly zinc with just a thin copper coating. And zinc can be harmful if ingested, so newer pennies aren't recommended. So if you want to try this, try one that was minted before 1982. I tried with some pennies I found that were minted in 1950. Experts, including the National Audubon Society, don't recommend relying on copper alone. Their advice is simple. Change the water frequently, clean the bird bath regularly, scrub away algae and bird droppings, and fresh, clean water is the best way to prevent disease. Did it work in my bird bath? Yes, it did. One copper penny in my bird bath kept the algae away. It's been over 5 days and it's pristine. I have flushed out the bird bath every couple of days with nice clean water, but it does work. While the evidence, both mine and of my viewers, indicates that copper in a bird bath does work, there's not enough evidence to indicate that it's risk-free. So if you do use it, use something that is pure copper. Make sure that you are following the recommendations about keeping your bird bath clean. And definitely make sure you don't use one of the newer pennies, those minted after 1982. That are mostly made of zinc. I think the biggest lesson from all these comments is that copper may help reduce algae, but it doesn't replace good bird bath maintenance. Your birds still need fresh water every day and a good cleaning every week, or even more during the hot weather. Copper might reduce the amount of algae you have to scrub, but it doesn't replace regular cleaning. I'd love to hear your experience. Have you tried copper in your bird bath? Did it make a difference? Let me know in the comments.